she probably thinks I'm a moron. Ayy, rip it to a song, but I put it back on, cause smell like prawn and August. Whipping in the brick and really moving shit, the wheels on me straight. Shot so hard, my grades just drop out here, just giving no fucks. Uzi had big with a brand new wrist, call damn that bitch be a fit one. Ayy, brand new whip with a brand new fit and a brand new clip, my stick. Yeah, wrist big kilo, got in the down low, fuck you up easy as a free throw. Yeah, final grand, but yeah, cause I got a son, yeah, over here flexing with your mom. So fast, like, baby, slow down now, boy, you stun nigga clown, yeah. Skirting all around, cause I got a £1 yeah. Free shit from whole town, yeah. 40 on my set with a big name, Matt, like, fuck that, sipping on tech, yeah. Turn test up, white, broke my back, yeah. Gotta say hard on trap, yeah. Pop a tit tat, yeah, fuck your crack, yeah. Court some puffin' on green, yeah. Ain't that me, got a brand new team, and I baked up to my dreams, yeah. 5 tests in this winter, 5 got turn, I'm good at man. Candy barbers, Zanny, bar, low, I spit the truth, beats. You gon' be man, I love the roadies. Drippin' and go, yeah, drippin' so much, yeah, whoops, I made a boom, bitch. Grand tell her, yeah, I'm really so fly, I'm out here looking like a plane, yeah. Short for the ice, I'm blind like mice, yeah, cause she's thinking I'm hard, yeah. Preppin' the pot, whipping the bread. Mama told me not to go hit a lid. Grind every day, call me a Rolex. So soon you look a man for the pen name, man, it's so lit. Drink all the biz, soon as the bill comes, I gotta go this. Rushing my wrist, sippin' the time. Don't know if I got the time for the dime, yeah. So fast, drinking much cash. Fuck up the goal, yeah, I'm into the brass. Woke up the cash, go through and blast. Goes on my bed and she's showing the ass. Blowing the gas, passing the gas. Newton said that I ain't more than the mask. Skipping the class, chasing the grass. Let me get... Every time I'm knocked down, it's the struggle that reminds me. So heaven don't feel me now. Put the wings upon my feet. Oh Lord, set my soul, take my pain and turn it into gold. 'Cause all I know is champion. I can take a beating now, rise again, running through the jungle until the end. I can live forever, I'll rise again, keep rising up. I'm champion. I can take a beating now,
flowers, cuz used to have to stir the Kool-Aid for hours. Blood, these white lines rule the world, that's a power drug. Same way the government blew the towers up. Guess that's what I get for living in America. Well, we just tryna find a story for our character. Tryna fuck a French model on a terrace, but they don't let American werewolves in Paris, bruh. These people telling me I sound like the old yay. See, I don't even change the pace on a slow day. I'm 2 seconds away from going OJ. Mama said I need to call my ex disobey. Somebody gon' get that and lose their mind. The police need rap music to boost their crime. Pull you over for a light, violate your rights. But niggas don't ask shit, they just do their time. Who you gon' be when the world gets fried? Listen to your friend, it's the voice inside. If you lose me, where the hell you gon' go? Take somebody's life, who the hell gon' know? Who you gon' be when the world gets fried? Listen to your friend, it's the voice inside. If you lose me, where the hell you gon' go? Take somebody's life, who the hell gon' know?